In this video, I will explain how to add expansion module to C450. So the first thing you do is to disconnect the Ethernet cable. Now I have here expansion module from AudioCodes. I will open the 3 screws right here. One, two, three, and I will remove the plastic. And there are 3 holes of screws right here. This is the expansion module, and we need to remove this plastic right here to expose the connector. In the box, I have additional screws. Now I can take back the cable and plug it. And we're done. Inside the box, you can also light it. And install. Some tips.